so you get the wide angle view. It's gorgeous out here today. Yeah. This phone camera is pretty good. Gives a pretty clear picture. Like, as you can see, it's really nice sky and backyard here. The fence is rickety, but whatever. I like doing videos like this now. I haven't put out a lot of word studies, but there's still more to do. I'll find a lot more words for sure, and we'll just continue on. You're gonna see my big belly. Jacob, he says, "Dad, you're getting a big belly." Comes with age, I guess. I don't know. I like my food now. I used to never eat at all, and I used to be skinny as a rake. Especially when I first met my wife. But God has blessed us in this house, and I'm so thankful for it. I have an opportunity to get a little minivan. My wife doesn't want me driving her Jeep. After the brakes were done, she just doesn't want me driving it. I know I am here and there. I haven't been out a lot doing deliveries, but she just don't want me driving her Jeep, period. She says, well, you got to get something. So I've been looking, and I found this minivan. The guy was asking $2,000 for it. So I messaged him. The ad was really good and well put. The vehicle's been maintained. It's 1996, and it's only got 180,000 kilometers on it because the transmission was completely rebuilt, and it was a working van. The guy took care of it really good. So he'd take $1,600 for it. So my son and I are going to go look at it tomorrow. Any little help will help when it comes to that, because I don't even know if I can get it right away. I did get a little bit of help from a brother, and I'm going to have that money, no matter what, saved for a vehicle if I don't end up getting this minivan. I mean, I don't have $1,600, but I'm going to try to work something out here. But any little support would help, is what I'm trying to say. Not that I'm asking, because I really don't like asking at all. But I have the support button there, the PayPal button. If you'd like to support me in getting this vehicle, it would be great, because it's an investment for me. Now that I'm close to the end of the school year here, just this year here, and I got to get on the road, and I got to have some way of getting around without driving my wife's Jeep. So this is an opportunity and an investment, because I need to work, and I haven't been really working. But I have this. If I have this little minivan, it'll be great. I can actually get back out and deliver every day and do what I'm supposed to do. But so we'll see if I can grab it. But any support is good, no matter what. Even if I don't end up getting this minivan tomorrow, I can put it towards a car, because I'm in desperate need of a car. I hate sitting at home. I'm stuck at home, right? Because she has to work every day, and she needs her Jeep, so it's impossible for me to get out. Almost. I was doing more videos in my car, in the Jeep before, but not anymore. But this is just a quick video here today, just reaching out to my brethren. If you can, you can. If you can't, you can't. I mean, there's no obligation whatsoever on that. But like I said, it's so appreciated, and I thank God for all of you and all the support I get from my brethren. It is just so wonderfully, I don't know the word, grateful. I am so grateful and so thankful to God the Father for providing through whoever helps, and that is a gracious gift from God.